How can the mind be linked to God? To begin with, understand that the mind is not the only faculty of the soul. Another faculty is the buddhi, which, roughly translated, can be called the intellect. Not the intellect of intellectual study, but rather the part of you that is capable of knowing right from wrong. It is the intellect which is responsible for forming the link with God. However, it will not be able to do so if the mind does not let it. In other words, the mind has to become peaceful and cooperative first. For the soul to be linked to God, the intellect and the mind have to work together. Only when there is this kind of harmony between the two can there be that link with God. Actually, this is what we call yoga. One reason it is sometimes difficult to have this yoga, this union with God, is because the intellect, through weakness or laziness, just won't make the effort to create that link. At other moments, it may be the intellect which desires to make that connection. However, the mind gets into so much mischief, thinking and worrying about so many things, that the intellect isn't able to be still enough to allow that link to happen. The solution is to focus on the intellect. This is because the intellect, when strong and healthy, actually acts like a mother to the mind. It is capable of keeping it nicely under control. The intellect is made strong and healthy through a continual supply of proper spiritual study. This is what makes it divine. A mature, divine intellect will always be able to keep the mind, the child, under control. In fact, a healthy intellect can even command the mind to turn itself towards God. As the mind and intellect learn to work together, that a connection with God can be made very easily.